Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on a 2024 Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. This particular Dauntless is the platinum hull color, and they've actually matched the underside of the hardtop, which we'll see, as the same color. It's powered by twin Mercury 300 V8s, painted in white. At the stern of the boat, you'll see that we have a really nice fishing platform and a live well, which also converts to aft seating. It's a really tall backrest on the back, very comfortable seating, and we have a spot for a bow table to be mounted right here. So you can sit there, have your lunch, and the people in front of you at this Helm seat, this actually reverses, so we can flip this around and 4 people can be utilizing the cockpit table. Underneath we have storage. Moving forward to the helm, we've got a large Simrad MFD for your chart plotter and sonar fish finder. We've got USB outlets, charging station for your phone, the compass, non-skid mat, glove box here, as well as above on the hardtop, VHF installed, JL audio system, volume control, which is also controlled on your MFD, and the joystick piloting from Mercury for the twin 300s makes docking a breeze. As you move forward, this boat does have a pump out head, plenty of storage and headroom underneath. And you'll notice that there's a couple of items sticking through the front of the head to the large storage area under the lounge seat. So if you wanted to lock some rods away or put longer items underneath, it actually protrudes through. Very large bow seating area here at the lounge. I'm a little over 6 feet, and this is extremely comfortable. My feet are just off the edge, arm rests. And then the cool thing about the Dauntless that's different from some of the other Whaler models is the seating backrest here at the bow. These just pop right up, lock in place, and you've got a great seating area up here with the full sun pad up front, which our bow table is a part of this pad. This model comes with the split bow rail and also the bow boarding ladder up front. And let me just show you the space that this has. Step down, your bow table stores here, just tons of space for safety gear, extra coolers, any additional gear that you need can all fit in here. It's a very spacious boat for storage, ample room for whatever you need to bring for a long day out on the water. This boat is here and available at MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Come by and check it out.